Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to take your beautifully crafted Figma designs and bring them into Wix Studio without losing all that hard work, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear step-by-step roadmap for seamlessly exporting your Figma designs to Wix Studio, saving you loads of time and hassle compared to rebuilding everything from scratch. So let's dive in and get hands-on with the process. Alright, to start, let's assume you've already finished your website design in Figma and you're happy with how everything looks. Great job getting to this point. Now, to make the handoff smooth, we'll need to use a plugin. Head over to your Figma workspace and click on the Plugins menu. Next, type in Figma to Wix Studio in the search bar. It might take a moment to find, but this is the essential tool that connects your Figma designs directly to Wix Studio. Once you've installed and selected the plugin, you'll need to connect your Figma file to Wix Studio. This connection is crucial. It's like setting up a bridge between the two platforms, so changes and assets move over correctly. First, grab the URL of your current Figma file. Simply copy the link. You can do this from your browser's address bar or through Figma's Share button. Now hop over to Wix Studio. Inside your project, look for the Tools menu, then select Import from Figma. When prompted, paste that Figma file link right in there. Click Connect, then you'll see an option to allow access. Make sure you approve this step, as it's what enables Wix Studio to pull all the necessary design data from your Figma file. Once you've done that, congratulations, the foundation for the import is set. If you see a confirmation message or indicator in Wix Studio, that's a good sign you're connected and ready to move forward. Now let's go back to Figma. You should see a button or option to start export. This might sound simple, but it's a really important moment. You're telling Figma exactly which design elements you want Wix Studio to recognize and import. Click that Start Export button and the plugin will guide you to select specific export options. The first thing we'll tackle is exporting styles. Think of styles like your site's DNA. These include your colors, fonts, text sizes, and more. If these aren't transferred properly, your site in Wix Studio might end up looking pretty different from your vision in Figma. So in the plugin, find the option to export styles and give that a click. It might take a few seconds depending on how complex your design is. Once that's done, switch back to Wix Studio. Go to the Import from Figma tool and choose the option to apply those styles to your site. You might notice things instantly look more cohesive as your fonts and colors update. Alright, with styles covered, we'll export your frames next. Frames are basically the building blocks or artboards of your web pages, sort of like blueprints for each page section. Back in Figma, select the frame or frames you want to send over and hit the Export Frames button. After that, return to Wix Studio again and apply the imported frame to your site. This should lay out your site's structure just like you designed it. If your design includes wireframes or specific layout guides, you'll want to export these as well. In Figma, use the plugin to export your wireframes, then once again pop back over to Wix Studio and apply them. This ensures all your careful planning and hierarchy from Figma is reflected in Wix Studio, and you won't need to do a whole bunch of manual adjustments later. And that's pretty much it. If you followed along, your Figma design should now be living and breathing inside Wix Studio, ready for any final touches. Don't worry if you need to go back and forth a few times. Sometimes a bit of tweaking is needed to get everything just right. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment if you hit any snags or have questions. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more design and website building guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.